Today we're gonna be unboxing this cool LOL doll. Oh, and by the way, make sure to go to Jolly Joy. There's a lot of fun places there. It's so fun. There's even a big slide. So if you want to check it out, click the link in my comments. Anyway, so we're gonna be unboxing this. So let's get it open. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm not very good at this. Oh yeah! I'm very good at this. Okay. You see the LOL doll? Wow. Now time to remove this. Help.
Wait.
Okay, so we're back. Are we? And I did just start filming.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's open this.
I think. Wait. Oh. Oh, you just open it there.
Wow. This is gonna be so cool. Okay. Is this her body? I think it's her body. Nope, it's definitely her body. Is it? There's two bodies. Oh, that's the bullet.
I think you just have to push harder.
Ugh! I think no one needs to tell me on this part.
Alright.
Guys, I don't even think this is LOL. I think it's a knockoff. Can we put this? Okay. Look at their robot.
Their faces. Can you show them?
It looks so creepy. This isn't LOL's. It's a knockoff. Okay, put on your clothes here. Yeah, this definitely doesn't fit her. This one's probably has so much time and effort for nothing. Let's put on the boots first. I'm gonna give her these boots just because I like them. Just pop on. Click. This isn't LOL. It's a knockoff. So guys, these are the final results. They look so beautiful, don't they? Why Mr. Hansen said, yeah! So they look so cute and you guys are awesome. Make sure to watch more videos and make sure you don't miss another video. Hit that like button. And this was part 2 of making these dolls from scratch to scratch. They look pretty cute. And mine is a winner because it's pink. You already know I like pink, so I gave her the trophy. And if you know this, you just turn it on and then boop, 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 boop. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! So I use those stickers. Bye, guys! La 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 la. You know what? It can also convert into a bag. Look. So, guys, this is the end of it.
Can you bring it anywhere?
So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Have an awesome day. Bye.